So whether you want to create a test, a questionnaire, or even a survey, Kajabi Assessments have you covered. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to build out and design your own Kajabi assessments to implement just that. But before we jump in, I want to make you an offer. I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and get access to your account today. And as a thank you for using my link, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started my Kajabi journey. And that's just one of the awesome bonuses that I offer. More on those bonuses towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to look at Kajabi Assessments then, I'm in my live Kajabi account. Now, again, like Kajabi quizzes, if you haven't watched my video on Kajabi quizzes, go and watch that. It's very similar, but you need to ask yourself the reason you're putting an assessment together. Is it to test some of your clients or students? Is it to survey them? Or is it to send out a questionnaire to your list? All of these can be achieved with assessments. So all you do is they're under contacts and then click on assessments. I've just done a templated assessment here, but if you haven't created one before, it's going to ask you to create a new assessment. So all you need to do is pop that out, and then this is just test, and then test. So I'm just going to build this out. So you've got to ask yourself whether you're automatically grading the assessment or not. So you can see the answers once they click submit, but if you wanted to grade them, so if it's more like a test, you can put in a passing grade here. So again, why are you using this assessment? I'm just going to leave this off for now and click save. Then you've got three main tabs here. You've got details, edit questions, and view results. So very similar to quizzes. So here you can put the title and the description, whether you're automatically grading them or not, making sure that you put a percentage in if you are grading them. And then the results breakdown preference here, you can always show assessment results breakdown, always hide assessment results breakdown, or hide results breakdown unless assessment results is achieving a pass grade. So have a think about how you want that to present to the individuals that are filling out this questionnaire or assessment. Then the language, this is the start text. So click the button below to start. I probably would leave these default. You've completed this assessment unless you want to put your own language in here. And then you can add any automations that you want to build out. You can add tags. If somebody answers in a certain way, you can add a tag, or you can add tags on, yes, they've completed this assessment. Then after the submission, you can either send the completed email with a link to the results, or you can send a completion email to your team. Then editing these questions. So this is just going to build out very similar to quizzes. This is how you add a question. You've got multiple choice, you've got paragraph, you've got file upload, multiple selection, and then you've also got different sections. And then whenever you want, you can click preview, and that pops that open out onto a new tab. So I'm just going to go back into these details, click on assessments, and I've just built out a few questions here. So if you want to get rid of your assessment here, you can just click on this and then delete, and then it's gone. So I'm just going to look into this. I'm just going to preview this one, and then just going to show you and walk you through. So this is all about your online business. And then I'm just going to click start. So I've put a few questions together here. If I was going to survey my list, what is your biggest challenge in your online business? Is it designing your business, growing your audience, generating your sales, or delivering your products? Let's say it will be B, growing your audience, and then click next. And then describe who you help, how or what you help them achieve, and how you achieve this. So they're going to write in exactly who they help, what they help them achieve, and how they achieve this. And then you can ask questions like, what platforms do you leverage to show up online? So it could be a mixture of let's go Google, let's go YouTube and Facebook, and then click submit. So once you've completed all the questions that you've put into that questionnaire, then this is what they're going to see. They're going to say your online business, you've completed this assessment. Now, you can send this as a link to anyone. You can grab the URL, share that, or you can have a look at the results breakdown, and you can see everyone in your Kajabi that has completed this questionnaire. You're going to see a breakdown like this. So a very quick one today. That's how you find assessments within your Kajabi. That's how you complete those questions and then send it out either to your list, to your students, or if you're surveying a new customer. So there we have it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can identify something that you can take action on. So as a reminder, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. That is over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue past those 30 days free trial and you become a paying customer of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And when you become a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to offer you a second program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you access. Within this product, you'll be able to download templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi. And these are the sales page templates that I use in my business today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses that I do offer on that page. Hopefully you got massive value from this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the very next one.